How to open a Cowrywise Nest account. Opening a Cowrywise Kids Nest account is one of the best ways to build generational wealth in 2025. It is essentially an investment account designed for parents to co-manage with their children until they turn 18. Here is the exact step-by-step guide to setting it up. 1. You have to open the app on your phone, that is the Cowrywise app on your phone, and ensure your account is verified with your BVN. Then if you scroll down, you see the kids section. Now, for you to open a Nest account, that means you must have downloaded the Cowrywise Kids app. If you haven't, check out our video on how to download the Cowrywise Kids app. So, from your own Cowrywise app, so you scroll down until you see the name of your kid, and then you click on it. You click on the plus icon, then you're going to create a profile. Enter the child's name and date of birth. Now, this isn't possible, like I said, if you have not downloaded the Cowrywise Kids app or you haven't gone to kids.cowrywise.com to create an account for your kid by clicking on the continue as a child option in the website. So when you do that, you create the account for the kid right there, and then you choose to you see the option for open all the lessons. Then you click on it and to send an invite to you as a parent. Then you go to your email, then you open it from there, accept the invite in your Cowrywise app or through the email, and then you'll be able to from there create your kid's name, the kid's legal name, full legal name, the date of birth. Don't forget, only available for children ages 0 to 17. And once the profile is completed, the app automatically generates a nest for that child. So you can also select create a new Nest account to activate it. Then you choose your funding method, whether it is bank transfer or debit card. Then you can set up the automation by choosing to save daily, weekly, or monthly. You can even give the plan a specific name like Junior's Ivy League or Ada's 18th birthday gifts. So that's it. As one of the great features we have in this Nest account is the 18-year handover, which means the account is strictly locked and managed by you, but once a child turns 18, the account and all its accumulated wealth are legally transferred to them. They also have educational games. In the 2025 version of the app, children aged 5 to 17 can access a kids mode where they can play financial literacy games and watch bite-sized lessons while you manage their actual money. So we have the card game, PS1 card game, where you learn about investment and answer questions on investment. So we also have the second game, which is guess the word. You say it, word guesser. Also, you can create a savings circle for your Nest account. This allows you to invite godparents, grandparents, or favorite uncles to contribute to your child's future instead of buying them toys. And unlike a regular bank account, the Nest account invests in mutual funds, which means the money grows through interest and market gains over the long term. So, hope you found this video helpful.